guys, today I want to show you this 8-liter humidifier. It has the ability for you to fill it from the top, or you can remove this and you can just fill the base. There's the minimum amount line and then the maximum amount fill line. This has a 360-degree nozzle. Touchscreen, also comes with a remote, easy to clean, comes with a brush to clean and a towel. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you all the cool features about this. Okay, it comes with this remote, so just turn it on. There are different levels of mist, the humidity percentage that you want. You can set a timer, turn the lights on and off, has different color ambient lights, different levels of mist. It's so quiet, which I appreciate. The humidity percentage, 40% all the way up to 90%. And then if you get closer, this is a 360-degree nozzle, so you can aim that wherever you want in your house. And then on the back side right here, it comes with this essential oil tray. You can put any essential oils you want in there. I love using that when me or my kids are sick. This is also a touch screen. It comes with a brush and a towel to easily clean the filter.